Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Outre Melted Hairline in Seraphine. I have it in the color 1B. I purchased this unit from Elevate Styles. This unit has HD transparent lace. It also comes with baby hairs, and it says that no plucking is required in order to wear the unit. It should just already be plucked enough. Looking at the unit, I see a very thin hairline. The lace is a tad bit light, so I am going to go in with my foundation stick and just kind of dab my foundation on the lace to make the unit a little bit darker, so that when I apply this unit, it will blend well into my skin. So the inside of the unit, you get some lace around the frontal hairline as well as lace in your parting space. You have some combs in the front as well as in the back with an adjustable strap as well as an elastic band. This unit comes in a bunch of other colors if you guys are interested in colors other than 1B. So to apply my unit today, I'm going to use the Olive Oil Fix-It Spray, and it's a holding spray, and I'm just going to use it around the lace area to hold my lace in place and to give it more of a melted hairline effect, of course. I take it in two sections, starting with the right side, just spraying all around my hairline area, and then applying the lace on and taking my blow dryer and blowing it down a little bit just to make sure that it stays in place, and then I'll do the same steps to the other side. Once the lace has been cut off, I try to get as close as possible to the hairline area to make sure that all the lace is cut off. I do go in with my powder and add a little bit of powder to the parting space so that I can make sure the parting space is as visible as possible. After I applied the unit, y'all, I realized that once I applied it crooked. That is all my fault. I am like half asleep and trying to film this content, so that is all my mistake, but I still made it work. The bangs fell exactly where I needed them to. I did go in my hot comb as well, just to flatten out the roots to make it as flat as possible. I added a little bit of baby hairs in the front that will be as visible. You guys know I am not a pro when it comes to baby hairs. This is something that I still struggle with, and I've been wearing units for about 3 years now, but the more I do it, I can tell it is coming together, y'all. So after I got the unit applied on, I was actually pretty pleased with how it was looking. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look of how this unit is looking on me. I'm going to start off with the couple of cons that I noticed with the unit, mainly being the shedding as well as the tangling. It does shed quite a bit. The texture of the unit though is really nice. I like that it's not a super duper shiny wig. It definitely does not relate to baby doll hair. I do really appreciate the bangs on this unit. That was one of the main reasons I decided to purchase the unit, was because of the bangs. This is like my go-to style. I feel like there are a lot of units out in this similar style type wig, so if you guys aren't able to get your hands on this one, they have a lot of units out in the synthetic wig world that are pretty similar in style like this. So after I cut the lace off, you guys, it blended very, very well into the skin. After, of course, adding my foundation to it, it made the melt a little bit more flawless. Hairline wise, they did a really good job. I feel like it was plucked really well. The baby hairs are there. I don't feel like you have to do a lot of extra work to them. My rating for this unit, I'm going to give her a good, it's almost a 7.5, but I really feel like it falls in the 8 category, so I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. The unit is very well put together. I feel like it's a really decent unit. I feel like it's a good everyday unit, as well as for beginners who are trying to get into the wig world. I feel like this will be really good for you to try out, especially with the lace, because there wasn't a lot of issues with applying this lace, so I definitely would suggest trying it out. I would say this unit is probably falling at about 24 inches long. Pretty even all around. It has a really good density to it. I love the texture of the wig. The only downfall of it is the amount of shedding it's doing, and I also feel like this unit is probably going to tangle after so much wear. For sure it's going to get that really like matted look, you know. So I think this unit probably would last you maybe about, if you were to wear this unit often, maybe even wearing it like 3 to 4 times a week, I feel like this unit might last you about 3 weeks or so before it starts getting like that mangled look. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you. If there are any units out there, you guys, that you are interested in seeing a review on, please comment them below in my comment section so I can get to purchasing and trying out some new wigs for y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.